I'm sure you've heard the news. Imagine this. A 24-year-old boy, eyes wide with wonder, exclaims, "Dad, look! The trees are going behind!" His dad smiles while a young couple nearby looks at the boy with pity. Suddenly he shouts again, "Dad, look! The clouds are running with us!" The couple can't hold back and says, "Why don't you take your son to a good doctor?" The old man smiles gently and replies, "I did. We're just coming from the hospital. My son was blind from birth, he just got his eyes today." Every person has a story waiting to be discovered. Don't judge them before you truly know them. Sometimes the truth is more beautiful than you could ever imagine. Remember, life is full of unexpected stories. Stay open, stay kind. You never know what someone's journey has been.